Hello ANML community. Today I'm going to give you 12 free courses on data science. I'm not telling any joke here. It's absolutely free. You don't have to spend even a single dollar. Go to github.com developer YCS video courses and then you can select go to a data science. You can see that the courses are offered by UC Berkeley, Harvard University, MIT, and the University of Potsdam, and Harvard University also. If you are from India, IIT Madras also it's providing the data science course. It's absolutely free. You don't have to spend even a single dollar. Okay. And also I'll give you one more link is missing, data science from Microsoft. It is also free. I already posted the video. If you never watched that video, I will post that link on my description as well. Take the benefit, learn the course. Don't go and spend any money. First you come and watch this link. If you don't satisfy or it doesn't suffice your recommend, then you can take that course or whatever you want to do. First you have to come to the link and take the benefit. It's a $0 for everyone. Okay, it's absolutely free. Thank you for watching my video. If you never subscribe to my YouTube channel, please subscribe so that I can post more videos. Thank you.